What is up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel, your favorite place to be if you love motherhood, locks, and lifestyle videos in general. In today's video, I will be showing you what I eat in one full day being pregnant. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, let's get right into it. So since I'm pregnant, I really want to get all my nutrition in for the day. So I like to start by getting my protein in, my fruit in. I love my grains, so I gotta get those in. And also my fluids. I prefer to drink milk, so dairy, and that'll be my dairy for the morning. And also I'll go ahead and drink a glass of water while I'm at it. Breakfast in the morning, I usually like to turn my phone off and put it on vibrate while I'm eating my breakfast, and I'll just have my little journal on the side of me so that I can write down whatever goals I have for today and make sure that whatever I need to do for the day, I have that in my brain and ready to get to work after breakfast. So for a quick snack between breakfast and lunch, I'll have yogurt with granola, chia seeds, and a couple of almonds and one banana. lunch, I'm just gonna have leftovers from last night, which is some tacos. I'm just gonna have one taco with some black beans on the side and a cup of water. To dinner, and I'm going to start by throwing some fresh corn into a pot of water. So while the corn boils away, we're going to start on our chicken. I have already pre-seasoned my chicken with roasted garlic, salt and pepper, lemon, and some olive oil. And I already have my pan lined with foil for easy cleanup. So we'll go ahead and toss the chicken onto the pan and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes.